Hi, my name is Kristen and I work for Daly City Recreation, and today we're going to be making some apple pies inspired by this week's theme, Ahoy Summer. So the ingredients you'll be needing are some buttermilk biscuits, a can of apple pie filling, some ground cinnamon, a tablespoon of butter, around 2 spoonfuls of sugar, and don't forget to have a pan lined with parchment paper and preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to add some cinnamon to your sugar and mix it well. Then you're going to go ahead and open up your biscuits and flatten each one. Then you're going to place about 2 spoonfuls of apple pie filling slightly off-centered of each biscuit. You're going to fold over the other side and then close the edges with a fork. So now that you're done sealing your pies, you're going to go ahead and melt your butter in the microwave, brush some of it onto your pies, and sprinkle some cinnamon sugar over it. Now that you're done, you're going to go ahead and place them inside your pan and put them in the oven to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. I hope you enjoyed making these apple pies, and I'll see you next time.